Well, hello, Junkaholics. So, today we're going to be scrapping my son's shelter. I usually use this at car shows. I had a dirt devil come and grab this thing and twist it all around, and now it's junk. So I thought I'd take this opportunity and see if it's worth scrapping a sun shelter. First of all, we're going to weigh it. It's at 15.65 pounds. And if you were to do aluminum breakage at 15 cents a pound, it'd be worth $2.35 at the scrapyard. Now let's see if we take this apart, is it worthwhile? So I'm going to do this for you so you don't have to guess. So I'm just taking the canvas off, and while I was doing that, I came up with a great idea. I'm going to keep this thing, and it's going to make a great little 8-foot by 8-foot tarp. Here I'm going to just check to see if any of those fasteners are aluminum as well, but they ended up all being steel, so it made more work. So we'll have to get rid of the fasteners and also all the plastic bits. There sure was a lot of screws. And just to make things easier, I thought I'd break out the grinder, cut the ends off that had plastic inside of them, because those little pieces, it's not worth taking it out, and I'll just call that breakage and just harvest, 95% of the good aluminum. Total, I think I did this in 30 to 45 minutes. Even though I was taking shortcuts, it seemed to drag on. Make sure to stay tuned for all the weights and what it will pay after it's been stripped down clean. So first of all, I zeroed out the scale with that similar garbage can. Here's the garbage can with all the aluminum in it. And we're at 9 pounds even, 50 cents a pound, for $4.50. Now we're going to weigh the aluminum breakage next. Zero out the scale. $0.15 a pound. We've got a pound 0.3. 15 cents a pound, so that's 20 cents. So we started at breakage, 15.5 pounds for $2.35. After, sheet aluminum, 9 pounds, $4.50. Breakage, 20 cents, total of $4.70. Difference of $2.35. So we only doubled our money, took 45 minutes, and that was not some nice junk.